Okay, and as promised, here is a preview of the kit and kind of the pieces that it comes with, and just some overview here. First, I'm going to apologize for my extremely messy garage. I'm in the middle of doing some remodeling and moving family in, and so I didn't have a ton of room in here. And I'll just say this kit is extremely comprehensive. It has a lot of component parts. As you can see on the ground here, we have laid out, this is the RoadStage audio. They're 3-in-1 material. So the 3 layers would be a CLD, or a constrained layer damper on the bottom, and that's topped with a layer of foil, and that kind of keeps the CLD together and also does some heat rejection and things as well. And then on top of that is a closed cell foam, or CCF, and that acts as a decoupler. So you can kind of see if we get up close. This is what it looks like. It's got a nice peel and stick backing. It's extremely sticky, not smelly at all, so it's high quality butyl. The foam is nice and squishy. Seems to be kind of a memory effect. I have it laid out here. I mean, there's probably about a good 50 square feet roughly of this material, and they're all nicely precision cut. So I'm gonna have to have a map basically that's gonna show me where all these pieces go in the doors and on the floor and on the rear deck and all the different places of the car. Additionally, there is some tape down here for hanging some of the mass loaded vinyl, and over here in this corner is the mass loaded vinyl. And this is their first run at this stuff. This is a little bit of a stiffer kind, but I know they're going to be working on maybe changing that up. But it's also nicely precision cut, nice and heavy, mass loaded vinyl. So you hang that after you put down your 3-in-1, and that is basically your noise barrier, right? So, and then of course, between your CLD type material and your MLV, you need some form of decoupling, and for that they've gone with like a cotton layer, and these are nicely cut cotton layers with some self-adhesive sticky on them as well. So extremely excited about this. This is a lot of stuff. It's going to be a lot of work to put in, but it's going to be a lot of fun for me. I enjoy this kind of stuff, so I can't wait to start the install and just kind of let it all rest and come back to its original shape. So it should be pretty easy to install. It looks like this material is very easy to work with. So I will keep you up to date as we go on this project.